Are you worried that someone that you know, who you love, in a nursing home is being mistreated or neglected? Unfortunately, nursing home abuse and neglect is not uncommon. Families place their loved ones in nursing homes with the expectations that their loved one will get the care that they need and that the facilities have promised. Facilities don't always provide the care that is needed, and as a consequence, those loved ones can become seriously injured or even die. My name is Laura Johnson, and I'm an attorney at the Corson & Johnson Law Firm in Eugene. I've been practicing law since 1993, and I'm the current president-elect of the Oregon Trial Lawyers Association. I got into practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work very early in my career. I had the honor of representing the wife of a former high school teacher of mine. He had developed early Alzheimer's disease, and she chose a facility that was near her home. Unfortunately, that facility hired someone who had a history of physical abuse, and he abused not only him, her husband, but also other residents in the facility. This particular facility knew that there was a problem with this caregiver, but they kept him on until law enforcement became involved. What I learned in working in that case was that nursing home abuse and neglect is not uncommon. The Center for Disease Control of the United States estimates that 1 in 10 older Americans are abused in some form or some fashion. In nursing facilities, residents are physically and sexually abused by other residents and also by staff. Sometimes they're deprived of adequate food and water and medications. Residents are often inadequately supervised, which results in them falling and sustaining serious injuries. And when you are injured when you're older, that can lead to a rapid deterioration of health and even death. Signs of abuse that you need to look for would be unexplained injuries or bruises, a sudden loss of weight, signs of dehydration. Are they thirsty? Do they look parched? What does their skin like when you visit with them? Do they appear to be showered? Are they having their clothes regularly changed? Are they having repeat urinary tract infections? Do they have changes in mood? Are they fearful of your touch? Are they withdrawn? And also if there's a rapid deterioration of health. If your loved one is in a nursing home and you think there's a possibility of abuse or neglect, report your concerns to law enforcement immediately. They should do an investigation and complete a report. If you believe that there was assault, again, get law enforcement involved. If you think that your loved one is not getting the care that they need, you should report this to Senior and Disabled Services. They, again, should do an investigation and complete a report. If you think that your loved one is not getting the medical care that they need, get a second opinion. Get them outside of the facility, have a physician do an examination, ask for a copy of your loved one's care plan, bring that care plan to the physician and ask whether or not the care plan actually provides for the needs that your loved one has. And talk to the facility administrators and ask them if there's anything else that the facility can do, and document your conversations with the facility in writing. If your loved one has been abused or neglected, you may seek the assistance of a lawyer. Our website has more information about elder abuse and neglect and a form to complete if you wish to talk to us. We'd be happy to talk to you, and we will provide you a free consultation. Thank you very much.